I want to report a stolen vehicle crash on West 177th Street and Haven Ave.
Okay, West 177th Street and Haven Avenue. Did you call already?
No.
Okay, West 177th Street and Haven Avenue, Manhattan.
Yes.
Okay, and what's going on here?
It appears to be a stolen vehicle with fictitious plates that crashed on the exit.
Okay, you said it's a suspicious vehicle?
It appears to be a stolen vehicle with fictitious plates.
Okay. 1 second. Okay, what kind of vehicle is it?
A black E36 BMW.
Okay, 1 second.
It says a 328i on the back.
Okay, you said it was a BMW 328i as in Ida?
Yes, Idaho.
Okay, what's the license plate?
It says NTNC with like periods. I don't know, it looks like a fake plate.
Wait, is that Mary, Paul, Mary, Charlie?
Nancy, Paul, Nancy, Charlie.
Okay, you said there's periods between each letter?
Yes.
Okay. Is there a state on it?
It says quote unquote Jersey on top. The 3 words.
Okay, and what color is the BMW?
Black.
Black, okay. And it's unoccupied, right?
No, there's a male in it with a ski mask.
Okay. What's your last name, caller?
Alexander.
Telephone number you're calling from?
My own.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, the number?
Your telephone number, yeah. Assistance will be provided as soon as possible, okay? I'm operator 2498.
Okay, thank you.
No problem.
What's up, man? Oh! Three Davis shots fired! Central shots